My name is Dev Mookerjee. I'm the technology leader for IBM Watson in Asia Pacific. What that basically means is I spend my time working with organizations and help them understand what artificial intelligence is and how best they can use it. IBM Watson has been around for a few years now. The main issue that I face in the market is people have this idea of artificial intelligence, which is not necessarily true. So the mission of this team that we have is primarily about educating the market about what artificial intelligence is today and in the immediate future and how they can best use it. The word pioneer is to be first, right? There are very few things in industry that has been first at something it's done like IBM Watson. We took an idea and we built a system and we launched it to the world on a TV show, right? And there we sowed the seeds of an idea where a machine can respond to a human being and understand human context and language. The rest is history, right? I think for me personally, I have always been at the cutting edge of technology. So being in the pioneering edge of technology is what IBM Watson is all about. And there are very few industries that are impacted by this technology as marketing, advertising, branding, and the engagement with humans. So without a doubt, the word pioneering as a theme is highly, highly relevant to this world of marketing. Advertising is one of those industries that has changed beyond recognition in the last few years. I'm not even talking about in the last 10 years or in the last 20 years. I'm talking in the last 5 years. Organizations interact with individuals in a completely different spectrum. You could have an advertisement on a media form which targets not a segment, not a demographic. You're targeting an individual. I think that's the single biggest change that's happened with, in advertising. And technology is the opportunity that exists. Technology is the reason that this has changed. Artificial intelligence in itself works in a way that it allows technology to interact with humans. And that is where the opportunity lies. Branding is going to be even more important going forward, not in the form in which it has necessarily been about being a logo or an image or emblem or a theme. Branding is the identity of your offering in whatever shape or form. And the amount of noise available in the market today, in your space or any space today, is where your branding will truly stand out. Again, technology brings a completely different spectrum to it. You have a brand that can interact with an individual. An individual talks to your brand. That's where the opportunity lies, and that's where brands who don't harness this will be left behind. Ad tech, like every year, I'm excited by it, right? So I'm excited to see the keynotes. I'm excited to hear new trends that will be discussed out there, the speakers and interacting with the speakers themselves. So going by any of the previous years, I'm sure ad tech is going to be inspiring to say the least.